Weather from where you live.
Well, the county is highlighted in magenta, where that pink color is a winter storm warning. You can see that going out right through tomorrow night and through Wednesday. It'll end at 7 p.m. on Wednesday. And then also we've got a blizzard warning in effect up here for Benton, also Newton, and Jasper County. And that's going to be canceled on Wednesday at 4 p.m. So this is a very long duration event. It's going to contain snow, ice, and a lot of wind to boot. So let's first of all track what's out there right now in the WLFI viewing area. We'll take out, first of all, a wide shot of what's happening. The first wave of snow is now moving in. We talked about kind of two waves of snow with this, and the white is, in some cases, heavy snow, and the pink is freezing rain and sleet. We are getting reports of sleet now along the I-74 corridor, and just west of Perrysville had a report of just sleet just covering I-74. So that's like driving on tiny marbles. Makes it very, very slick. We've got heavy snow now in Lafayette, visibility a quarter mile or less. Snow, Rochester, Logansport, down towards the Kokomo area. And we've got snow southward of Frankfort, Lebanon, Ladoga, and also Kokomo. And this is all moving off to the east, and it's going to snow for most of the night. These are current snowfall accumulations. This is what has fallen so far today. We're pushing about a half inch, I'd estimate, here at the station. Got to take a measurement here shortly, but already we've had 1 to 2 inches in Montgomery, parts of Fountain County, and a good half to 1 inch in parts of Benton and Warren counties. And this is the beginnings of a very intense major winter storm for our area. The winds are already kicking up as well, with some cases heavy snow around. It's already blowing around. I had a report from Attica, visibility out in rural areas down to about 300 feet right now with heavy snow. We're getting winds gusting to 25 miles an hour, winds gusting to 21 here at the station, and pushing 30 at Fowler. We're getting consistent gusts of 24 miles per hour at Burlington, with temperatures that are running about 20 to 25 degrees, and there's no indication of the temperature getting above the 20s with this event. So 2 waves of snow and sleet. The first one's coming in now. We could have up to 5 inches of snow on the ground by tomorrow morning. We'll see a break tomorrow morning. We could get several hours where there's not much going on, but there'll still be a lot of wind blowing and drifting snow and sleet. But then it's going to pick up in the late afternoon and evening. And I think the absolute worst of this is going to be tomorrow night and early Wednesday morning. That's going to be the heaviest precip and also the strongest winds that could gust over 40 miles an hour. And then, wow, brutally cold weather after the storm. We could get down some places 10, 15 below zero later on in the week. All right, Futurecast, there's 8 o'clock, dark blue. That's some pretty heavy snow. Fowler down towards Pine Village. That will pass through during the evening. It's still snowing at 2 a.m., and the dark blues indicate at least moderate, in some cases heavy snow. Down here along I-74, though, just south of Frankfort, Crawfordsville, Covington, I think sleet will be the main mode of precip here. A lot of sleet down there. And then finally by 4 a.m., the heavier snow is pulling away, but still some light snow around. There's your break at 8 o'clock in the morning. There could be a little very light freezing rain or sleet down here in the south, but for most of us, it's a welcome break. The second wave comes in the afternoon, and boy, it gets heavy tomorrow night. At 7 p.m., very heavy snow. All-out blizzard here, Newton, Jasper, and Benton counties. The rest of the area is snow. Lafayette area southward, it's sleet. That magenta is freezing rain. Freezing rain Crawfordsville at 11 o'clock with a lot of wind. We could get some icing down in this area, and it's still snowing at 7 a.m. on Wednesday. Snow and sleet by Wednesday evening. Here are the totals. Again, more ice and sleet as you head southward here. So 7 inches Frankfort, about 8 Kokomo, almost 14 Monticello, 13 Fowler, 10.2 Lafayette, 11 Delphi. And this is glaze ice by Wednesday evening, 0.2 of an inch of ice. Thorntown and Tipton, 1/10 of an inch Petersburg, and much, much less as you head northward. All right, there you have it, the winter storm tonight into tomorrow. Mostly sunny, very cold Thursday. Could see a very light wintry mix Sunday with highs in the 30s.
Wow.
Finally, after that little cold snap.
A dangerous week, it looks like.
Oh, yeah. The travel next to impossible tomorrow night and Wednesday morning.
All right. Thank you, Chad. We'll get the latest from you at 6. Well, Indiana is not the only state to see this winter weather.
We'll take a look at how the Midwest